you ready? Are you ready?
What is up, team? What is up? Good morning to everybody, man. Let's get this thing rolling. What is up, my guys? What is up, my people? Let's see what's up, man. Let's see what's up. All right, let's pull up the market here. Let's see what's going on with the SPY first, right? Just like always, we got to see what's up with the broader markets and find out what the tone is. Oh, my goodness. Good morning to everybody. I'm so stoked to be here. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a loud day. It's going to be a complicated day. Know that we have some macro data getting adjusted today. We got a couple Fed speakers coming up too, right? But everything is all good. Everything is all good in the hood. So let's take a look at this ticker symbol SPY right here so we can make sure that the YouTube team is on top of their game as well, right? So ticker symbol SPY. Let's see. Hourly time frame. Traditional close yesterday was about, let's see. Let's come back here to the 5-minute time frame. We can't mess around with the process here, man. Daily time frame. Oh man. This is exactly what we were. Oh, I can't believe we got it, man. We got the $500 mark on the SPY. Incredible, incredible times. And just like we said, right, we were potentially going to experience this $500 top, huge pullback on that. And currently sitting at around $499.71. Traditional market close was $498.71. Okay, so if we're going to get any type of retracement, it could potentially be right at the open. All right, so SPY could, I'm saying that's a potential, right? It's not the actual truth. Do not bet your life on this, right? But there is the probability of the SPY pulling back here to do a pre-market gapper to gap fill reversal. All right, so this is a traditional play. You just got to keep your eyes on the market, right? Sometimes you're able to get this reversion back to the 498.32, of which where the open, I'm sorry, I think I said 498.71 earlier, but yeah, it actually closed at 498.32. So that reversion there could be a pretty nice little 2-point grab, but the bounce from that area there, it's not to say that it could come back and start combating the 501.08. I don't think that we're going to be able to surpass it. We may be able to get maybe a double top and then a retracement. It depends on the feels of the market, though. We have to keep an eye on that, a close eye on that. All right. But if we are going to get that move to the top side, remember, don't get faked out, right? That 501 is going to be a very tough psychological target. There's no telling what the market is going to do right at the open, right? We know that it's gapping up. We know that a lot of people are going to be in shock here. They're going to want to take their profits out of the markets, right? Because this is a huge psychological zone, the $500 mark. All right, team. So aside from that, let's just go ahead and remember about some of the plays that we're going to be observing today, particularly the plays that we played for earnings just yesterday, right? Ticker symbol BILL for BILL Holdings, BILL, right? So we have ticker symbol PINS for Pinterest. Let's pull these up as well. We can give a quick little outlook and see if there's a potential for the upside or downside, right? Expedia, and most importantly, Net. So this was another ticker that we were thinking could have some more upside. So, we touched down on that. Oh, wow. Okay, so we went to 115, and it looks like we're touching down at the 117.90 area now. Okay, so what could happen here? Well, let's take a look at this, right? 2 standard deviation multiplier on the 4-hour time frame is telling us the support could be in at around 108.43. Now, historically speaking, we don't have anything back there. At least I really do. Oh, we do. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up the indicator. Block the visibility and pull up the supports that are located right back there, right? So we're currently at 112.49. Let's see, we're just running a little bit short in time. Okay, support is right here. Major pivot right at this point here. Lows of the, let's see, October 1st, 2021. That could be a 108.95 bottom, right? So let's see, have we actually touched that in the after hours? No, not quite yet. Okay, yeah, so we still have a little bit of space to go on this, right? So don't get faked out on this one either. I expect there to be maximum volatility on this one. I was expecting a potential upside continuation even still. So please remember what happened here, right? Daily close was 90.31, right? And this this is pretty much going to gap up 22 points in the money, right? So we got to be super careful over what happens here next, but keep your eyes on Net, right? And I think everything else would be cool from there. Let's see, Expedia was another play that we actually went over. The reason why we're going over these plays again is because they were earnings plays. They are going to face some potential volatility. And like, for example, check this out. Traditional market close, 160.05. Expedia is currently sitting at 134, right? This is a 26 point jump to the downside, actually a decline. And so you can only imagine the things that I'm observing here. So let's see the post market low is 132.75. So I'm not sure if this thing is going to try to retrace. There's no way it's going to cover this entire thing today, right? No way it can cover. Well, I mean, I'm just saying that the likelihood of this covering 30, almost 30 points are just it's not in the cards too much. It's always in the cards, I'm saying, but just don't expect it. Anything can happen in the markets, but don't expect that, right? But yeah. Let's see. Aside from this, yeah, it's Expedia. Keep your eyes on this, right? We're gonna keep our eyes on this as well. So let me go ahead and create a little bit of a invite here for my people on YouTube, and I will have you guys consider joining the Arca Bulls trading team for these guided plays and live trading, right, team? We've been doing pretty damn good. Good morning to you, Phyllis. Good to see you here. Thank you for coming on by. So guys, go ahead and click on that link, and then everything will be cool, right? But I expect lesser traffic from retail in general today, as it's Friday, right? A lot of people think that it's Friday. It's time to not trade, but it's all good. It's no problem at all, right, team? So yeah, we're looking at about just a few more minutes here for the YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and cover another potential mover today, and it's going to be Netflix. Let's see. Sorry about that, team. Galvin, make sure to hit that mute on your microphone, my brother. Please hit the mute on that's a live mic. Let's go ahead and now continue on the analysis here on Netflix. I'm gonna pull up the daily time frame just to see where we are on the daily. Right there we go. So traditional market close was 558.53, and now we're looking at a 567 9-point jump to the upside. Another one that could potentially show us some type of reversion, right? I can't say for a fact that it's going to happen. I'm just telling you the probabilities here, right? But the play had a resistance of about 567.83, and I mean that was a target that was kind of already annihilated, right? And we're currently sitting just below it, right? So expect the resistance here at these wick tops at around 567.83. Again, this thing does have enough juice to play it both ways. So go ahead and take a look at this, right? Daily time frame ATR on this, that range is pretty respectable, right? So yeah, we have a 14, 19 average true range on this thing. So you can bet your butt this thing can actually trap some people both up and down, right? Similar monster here to Nvidia. So keep your eyes on this. I do expect there to be potential reversion on this first, right? If there is, heads up on the target down here of around 561.60, as that's going to be a pretty big area to consider for a potential bounce to the upside, and I would say a pretty violent one too, right? So yeah, aside from this, we always have that play that we're going back to right now, right? We know it, we've traded it, we've killed it, and we've siphoned from it, more importantly, right? So we have Tesla coming up. Thank you, Off-Grid Gorilla. We have those two tickers, right? So eyeballs on Netflix, though, man. That's a play that could show us some serious promise, and one that we're evaluating closely in the Arca Bulls trading team. And I will tell you that I kept it a little bit light here, but that is primarily the ticker that we are observing actively, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla here. Let's pull up the daily time frame and show that. Oh goodness, right? 5-minute time frame. Let's go ahead and pull it up on this screen and see what's up, right? Good deal. All right, so traditional market close 189.56. We're sitting at 190.87, right? Just a little bit outside of the money, in the money. So this is safe to retrace here to the market close valuation, which would be that 189.56. Especially this one, right? Because it's not so far away. Daily range on this one comes up to be $8.54, and I'm talking about a reversion of just about a tick here. I'm sorry, 1 point. So yeah, it's absolutely safe to consider that this can actually fall back down, get that test at 189.56 and load up. But if it does fail the 189.56, know for a fact that it has the prior day low, which is yesterday, right? Sitting right at about 185.65. If this is going to have a play, we need to take a look at the prior day high or the pre-market high and combat that to the upside. Don't get faked out, right? And then also the pre-market low would give us the symptom for a continuation to the downside here, but we're going to have to keep an eye on the prior day low more so than anything else, right? That 185, 185.62. So I think this is yeah, just heads up on Tesla. It's a real wild one, right? This thing could really shift and maneuver weirdly, to put it into very simple terms. All right, team. So I believe we are now out of time. Let's go ahead and just close up the YouTube stream here, and please remind everybody, right, once again, to please make sure to hit that link, subscribe using your computer, not your phone, and then everything will be accessible through your phone, right? So subscribe with your phone, come by and trade alongside some very talented traders, and then we shall be good to go, right? Appreciate you coming out, and you got to feel us. Have a good day. Thank you so much for hanging out here with the team, and we will see you and catch you very soon. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, 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 never. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. Very good rest of your day, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Actually, Monday. Adios.